Hi there, this is Kent Otott with a Concordia AutoMart 2015 Ford F-450 bucket truck. And Charles is going to give us a little demo here. It says 169,000 miles. The sticker on the side says 29-foot platform height in that one-person bucket that you see there. I got enough glare that I'm watching out. As you see, it can extend out. You can adjust the levelness of the bucket as well. The little sticker says it's not insulated. This is an ETI system. Should have about a 360-degree turn radius. This F-450's been through the shop and is ready to go. It is blowing ice cold air right now. So if you have some jobs where you're needing to add some height to you, then this Ford F-450 dual rear wheel there, as you can see. Charles is up there having fun in his bucket. It's part of the Concordia AutoMart inventory, and it is available. So as I do a walk around, you have ladder racks, you have a lot of storage. When we got a hold of this, we just ran it through the shop and took good care of it, and it's ready to go. You would need to get some wheel chocks for it. That's about the one big add-on that I would add myself. So there we are, fully extended there. You can hear the servos and everything working. And this can be seen either at Concordia AutoMart at 6th and Lincoln here in Concordia, Kansas, or for a demo with Charles, we'll bring it out back behind Concordia Chevy and show it off for you. You're welcome to look at it, drive it, and with Charles's supervision, we will run the bucket. So I'll keep the video going until he gets back into place. And I would say that's more than 29 feet, but the little red sticker says 29-foot platform height. So for any job that you have where you need that extra reach, on the farm, in town, whatever you need, this 2015 F-450 is ready to go to work for somebody. So give me a shout here at Concordia Chevy, or Concordia AutoMart, I'm sorry, 785-243-8656 is my phone number, or reach out to me at Concordia Chevy, 785-243-4380. Ask about this 2015 Ford F-450 bucket truck.